Try a little something by James Taylor this evening. Just yesterday morning, let me know you were gone. Suzanne, the plans they made put an end to you. Walked out this morning and I wrote down this song. I just can't remember who to send it to. And I seen fire and I seen rain, seen sunny days that I thought would never end, seen lonely times when I could not find a friend. But I always thought that I'd see you again. Won't you look down upon me, Jesus? Gotta help me make a stand. You just gotta see me through another day. My body's aching and my time's at hand. Won't make it any other day. And I seen fire and I seen rain, seen sunny days that I thought would never end, seen lonely times when I could not find a friend. But I always thought that I'd see you again. Well, walking my mind to an easy time, my back turned towards the sun. Lord knows when that cold wind blows, it'll turn your head around. Spending hours on the telephone line, talk about things to come, sweet dreams and flying machines and pieces on the ground. And I seen fire and I seen rain, seen sunny days that I thought would never end. I seen lonely times when I could not find a friend. But I always thought that I'd see you, baby, one more time again. Thought I'd see you one more time again now. There's just a few things coming my way this time now. Thought I'd see you, fire and rain now. Thought I'd see you, fire and rain now. Thought I'd see you, fire and rain. Thank you. Have a good night.